Nature reserves around the world. The Kōgalzhin Nature Reserve is to the west of Astana. It covers more than 500,000 hectares of some of the most beautiful wetlands in Kazakhstan. The wet, swampy landscape is the perfect habitat for hundreds of species of animals and plants. Here you can see roe deer, lynx and elk, as well as rare species of moss, lichen and mushrooms. But Kōgalzhin is most famous for all the amazing species of birds that go there. Visit the park at the beginning of May and you'll see fish eagles, pelicans and Siberian white cranes. However, the star attractions of Kōgalzhin are the famous greater flamingos. Loch Lomond is a beautiful lake in the west of Scotland. It's famous for its fantastic wildlife and woodland. Come in the spring and you'll see the woods full of beautiful bluebells. You can also see deer and red squirrels, and if you're really lucky, you might even see the rare, majestic golden eagle. The pretty little island of Inchconnechen is home to the northernmost wild population of red-necked wallabies. The cute little animals were brought to the island from Australia in the 1940s. Since then, they have flourished in their new home.